How do aftermarket parts affect resale value? Have you ever wondered how aftermarket parts can change the value of your car when it comes time to sell? Let's break this down in a straightforward way. Aftermarket parts are components made by manufacturers other than the original vehicle maker. While they can be more affordable, they often impact a car's resale value negatively. When buyers look at a car, they usually prefer original equipment manufacturer parts. This is because these parts are seen as higher quality and more reliable. If a vehicle has aftermarket parts, potential buyers might worry about safety and durability. This concern can make your car less appealing, which can lower its market value. From an insurance perspective, things get a bit tricky. If your car is involved in a collision and is repaired with aftermarket parts, your insurance company may adjust the payout. They often consider the actual cash value of the vehicle, which may decrease due to the use of these parts. This means that if your car is totaled, you could receive less money than you expected because aftermarket parts are generally cheaper to replace. Additionally, some states have laws regarding the use of aftermarket parts. In certain areas, insurers are required to inform policyholders when aftermarket parts are used in repairs. This can affect how much you receive in a claim. In some cases, you might even have the option to request original equipment manufacturer parts, but this could come with extra costs. It's also important to note that insurance companies typically do not increase the value of a vehicle based on aftermarket modifications. If your car has these parts, they might not add to your vehicle's insured value. If you end up with a total loss, you may keep the aftermarket parts, but the insurance payout will likely be lower. In summary, aftermarket parts usually reduce a vehicle's resale value compared to original equipment manufacturer parts. Insurance companies often lower repair estimates and settlement values when aftermarket parts are involved. State regulations can vary on how these parts are disclosed and used in insurance claims. So, when considering repairs or modifications, keep in mind how aftermarket parts can affect both your insurance claims and the future value of your vehicle.